Guimarães is one of the finest historic cities in northern Portugal and is fondly regarded by the Portuguese as the birthplace of their country. It was here that the first Portuguese king, Afonso Henriques, was born, and Guimarães was briefly the capital city during the foundation of Portugal. This rich history is reflected in the many fascinating sites found throughout the city. There is a magnificent Gothic monastery, a heavily fortified castle, and an elegant 15th century palace. Between these monuments lies a maze of cobbled streets and charming plazas, lined with traditional houses and family run shops. Guimarães is a delight to visit and is regarded as the best day trip from Porto. For your day trip, it is very easy to travel to Guimarães as there is a direct train connecting Porto and Guimarães. The historical center in the area that was within the Guimarães city walls is associated with the formation and identity of Portugal and was classified a World Heritage Site based on the originality and authenticity applied in its restoration. The city still has a harmonious, well preserved heritage that is evident in the graceful iron verandas, granite balconies, and porticos, mansions, arches connecting the narrow streets, paving slabs smoothed by time, towers, and cloisters. For a moment, you might imagine yourself to be in a medieval setting where the nobility built their houses over time. The Castello di Guimarães was constructed in the 10th century to defend against the Moors. This was the birthplace of King Afonso Henriques and later served as his royal court. The castle was greatly strengthened during the 13th century, and these fortifications are what we see today.